here. Can you believe it? We've already made it to the third day of Christmas. Wow. I gotta be super quiet because it's really, really early here in Massachusetts. Did you guys watch my first 2 videos? If you haven't, go check them out. No, this isn't ASMR. I really hate that stuff. I'm just so excited, but I want to keep my voice down. I have been so impressed with the Phoenix Shaving 2025 Advent calendar so far. Now it's time to open number 3. By the way, what are your Christmas traditions? What do you guys like to listen to for music? Are you guys into a little bit of, I don't know, Jon Bon Jovi for Christmas? Or maybe some Bruce Springsteen? Maybe you like a little Mistress for Christmas? Or maybe you like to screech to Mariah Carey? Maybe you like to be laid back and listen to some Brian Setzer for Christmas? Let me know in the comments below. Until then, check out door number 3. Soap. Splash. Little write-up. Nope, that's all that's in there. Grab my readers. Now I have to have a light right here because the lighting in the truck sucks, so I might pick up the glare of the light. So what have we got here? This is called Frosted Planet. Ooh, I'm really curious about what Frosted Planet is. Give it a sniff. Oh. This is not at all like the first 2 scents. Put this on in a second. But first, let's read the write-up that they sent. This is Frosted Planet with a scent profile of nutmeg, peppercorn, cream, cardamom, ginger, tonka, chestnut, and wood. It goes on to say, I used to clock in a bakery before sunrise when the air was thick with spice and sugar. Frosted Planet takes me right back there. Warm ovens, leaning against cold windows, ginger and nutmeg, dusting the baker's table like snow. I'd smell of Christmas bliss before the sun had even rose. Imagine sideswiping a planet made of frosting. A lot like good lather, but you can eat it. Ah, the daydreams I had while working. Frosted Planet is half bakery, half science fiction. Nostalgic, earthbound sweetness with a galactic twist, and yeah, bakers are the superheroes of the holidays. Those baking spices of the nutmeg. And then I really get the strong tonka. A little bit of ginger in there. It's so very different from the first 2. Let's try it with a splash. Oh, this is taking a different direction. This isn't strictly gourmand. Oh, this is something nice. This is really different. Oh, wow. Yeah, that tonka takes it in a different direction. Yeah, Doug, Fran, Hugsley, Cube, you've hit another winner. This one is just fantastic. So, folks, third day of Christmas, Frosted Planet. Stay tuned and come back tomorrow for the fourth day of Christmas. Well, we'll open another door and see what's behind it. Talk to you guys real soon. Bye-bye.